Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your diesel filter on this Hyundai Tucson. This one's a 2-litre diesel, CRDI. So as you can see, that's the filter there that we're replacing today, the fuel filter. So we're going to take this airbox out, including this. And there is a 10mm down there holding the airbox that needs to be removed. And that's basically it really. Then we can go ahead and to remove that fuel filter. So we're going to go ahead and remove this first. So let's just need to pull these up, like so. Unhook that bit, pull the whole thing out. Now I'm going to unplug that. Then just need to remove it from there. Loosen that 10mm. Now got to pop that out. Screw boy. Now, got to remove that one. This one. Now, just pull that off. So, now I've got to get that 10mm down there with a long extension and socket. So now, the long extension. Get that in there. Get magnet. Bosh. Now this just pulls up. Now as you can see our fuel filter down there. Unplug this one. Start clipping. Start clipping. Do that one. Unplug that one. Now we need 12 and 12 there. Remove that. Then disconnect this. Push in both these tabs like so. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and same to that one, then pull it off. You can take this off as well if you want. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect these off. You just push both of them in. There's one on each side. One there and one there. Same to the other side. Just push those in. And then pull. Like that, as you can see. Now, you can literally go ahead and take off both those 12mm. I'm going to pull the whole unit out. Easiest way to do it. As you can see, you just need a 12mm socket. As you can see, take those off and pull the whole unit out. Go ahead and do that now. So now you can just take the whole unit out, as you can see, and start working on it. So now what I'm going to do is remove this plug. Click that. And screw that off. Once you've removed this plug from here, you can literally screw that off. Add it to a new one. Go ahead and do that now. Now that's added to it. Gonna undo this plug off here. And then those two 10mm. Now those are off now, so literally just take those out completely. So, as you can see, you can push our filter out. So just pull that out. Now I need to lock that in the vise and unscrew that. Once you've loosened it, it will just come straight off. Literally, oops, not like that, screw the whole entire thing. So as you can see, once you take it off, there is a seal there that needs to be replaced with this lovely new one. Now, get our filter, put it on there, and screw that on. So now, run that line through there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put those bolts back now. Push that back in there. Clip that back in there like so. And then this one here. Push that to hold it in place. And then got to clip that back in. Okay, now everything's back in place. I'm gonna go and fit it back in. So what we're gonna do is line that up down there. In the corner there, as you can see. So it needs to go on that bracket right now, if you see what I mean. Put 212mm back in. One there. One there. And then do those up tight. Now, pull these back in. One there. That one there as well. Now, I'm gonna plug these back in. So we've got this one here. And we've got this one here as well. And then this one here. And this one here. That's it. Now I'm gonna put the airbox back in. Connect back the MS sensor. So now the airbox is back in. As you can see, that one there. Unless you want to remove the battery, you want to get a magnet. Okay, so now you can see the fuel filter is connected back. I've plugged it back in. Tighten that up. Tighten that one down there. Now, literally just going to put this air scoop back in. Line it from there. Slot that in. As you can see, that's all been fitted back on now, and that's it basically. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel. Don't forget to leave your comments below. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.